final. Hey! Ines Nani Adrom, Eda Kutude zone, eh? You can go to this village on another level.
Thank you.
Alright. I'll come back tomorrow, okay? Just be good. Alright.
Safredo! Don't Fredo! He came out! Safre!
So Ikenna,
Sir.
what did you say you are doing in this village?
Sir, I'm not lying, sir. This is my village. This is my fatherland for sure. I'm telling you the truth, sir.
You mean you left Abuja after the death of your master, Chief Ndokako?
Sir, it's a long story. After his death, the wife took over the entire business and sent all of us away without no single settlement. That was how I ended up in this village.
You mean after serving him for so many years, you are left with nothing?
Sir, it's so sad. So sad.
That's so bad. That's so bad.
But sir, you are riding Okada. I mean, no convoy, no any security, no what's going on, sir? I can't wake up from this dream that I'm speaking live with Don Fredo, Sir Fredo. God bless this day that I know.
Lower your voice. Listen, I am here for a mission. Until I accomplish my mission, my true identity will be a secret. Okay? Nobody should know who I am.
Okay, sir, but sir, there is no anywhere, any APM, where any corner that I don't know. This is my village. Is it that anything I can help you with? Just let me know. I will help you, sir. Please.
Ikenna, the only help you can render to me right now is to seal my identity.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Consider it done, sir.
All right. Manage this. Hold this for now. Okay? Manage this for now. When I'm done with what I'm doing in this village,
Yes, sir.
we are going back to Abuja with me. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Sir Fredo, thank you.
No. Have you forgotten what I told you? You don't have to display this. Nobody should know who I am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes,
thank you,
just
sir.
keep the money with you.
Yes, sir.
You are going back with me.
Okay,
Remember,
yes, sir.
no sir for now, Ikenna. No sir for now.
Okay.
Ikenna, don't make me angry. Okada man.
God bless you. Hey.
Thank you very much, huh? I hope you can find your way back.
Yes, sir.
So let me give you some transport money. You know, I don't know how to drive yet. So I have to learn how to drive. Where is this money now? If you go out, you go turn left.
Yes, sir.
There you.
My way, yes, sir. Congratulations, sir.
No problem. Thank you very much. Be careful. You can find your way back.
Yes, sir. Why don't you allow me to take you to your house?
Because I don't want people to start asking questions about your identity.
The question is very simple now. I'm only on Okada man doing my job.
Okada man that carries me around every day. What means I have money to engage a personal Okada man that is carrying me?
And so? Yes, I love money. And so?
Sir, you see, people of this village, they are not free. Please, I'm not sure you stop me here. Tomorrow we continue from where we stop.
Again, I have told you so many times. Keep that sir aside for now. I am sir in the city, but I'm not sir in this village.
You know, I like reality, sir. Sir.
See. I am here for a purpose.
You are still sir.
That is Ikenna.
Sir.
Ikenna.
Sir.
Don't tell me what to do. I am not sir here. Let me take you to your house. You stay now. Let's go now. Let me take you to your house. Ikenna. I insist. I don't want to go.
Ijoma, I heard all you said. But if I am to advise you, I would say, in my opinion, marry him. I mean, speaking of all you have told me, it shows that he cares for you. I mean, he does things for you. He takes care of you. That's one way to show that you love someone. Except you don't trust him, or he doesn't have the right, character to take care of you, or I don't know. I'm just saying.
I'm confused.
What are you confused about? Do you not know his background? Okay.
I really like him. I would want to marry him. But I know nothing about his background. Every time the discussion comes up, he finds a way to dodge it.
We have been friends, even before you left the city. And since you came back, we are still friends. We don't keep secrets from each other. So, I don't know what's going on these days. Like what? Like, this is not the thing I used to know. All the things you do, everything has changed about you. Your entire life. Is there something you're not telling me? Changed to good or bad? That is what you refuse letting me know. Like, you're avoiding my presence.
Wazico, the only thing that's constant in life is good. Yes, I've decided to change some of my character. Yes.
You see, you just say yourself. You're no longer the big boy, dresses well as usual, play around. In fact, everything has just changed. What's going on?
It's because I'm no more interested in the things of this world. Yes? You see, Chidi, if a famous billionaire that has cooks, drivers, moves around with a team of security escorts, could keep those things behind and bring himself to the lowest to play and even eat like a pauper, you know, who am I to be forming people?
It's not possible. Again, it's not possible. No big man
will move around these days without their escorts. If not, those boys will carry him. Well, if you don't believe it, please, Chidi, let me think. Oh, think.
Think, Abel. Continue thinking, okay? Think very well, oh. Don't stop thinking. I want to come back and see you thinking. Mr. Thinker.
Huh?
I said how far?
How far? Oh, my sister. Oh, okay. She's not at home now. I suggest you come back later.
Shooks, I know your sister may be angry with me.
Huh?
I said I know your sister may be angry with me.
Oh,
Please.
angry with you.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Please tell her I mean no harm. I will explain everything to her. Biko.
I should tell her you mean no harm.
Yes, tell her I mean no
No harm. You will explain everything to her.
Yes, when I see her.
When you see her.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell her.
Please, don't forget.
Huh?
I said I mean no harm. Please don't forget.
I should not forget.
Yes.
I can't forget.
Thank you.
No problem.
Don't forget to tell her, please.
Huh?
You should tell her, don't forget.
Okay. So, when do we go to your hometown to officially inform them about us?
It depends on my mother. You know, she needs to tell Uncle Hyginus. And he's my late father's younger brother. He's the only one standing as a father now, so...
I see. Well, in that case, we can go to him ourselves.
No, Uncle Hyginus does not stay in the village. He stays in Lagos.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Let's allow your mother to handle things. But she has to be very fast because I intend to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. On the same day of the wedding, I want to also open my house. Why are you staring at me like that?
Because I love you.
I love you too. And I almost lost you.
But we finally won, right?
Yes, because winners don't quit. That reminds me, I bought some fruits, right?
Yeah.
Where are they?
It's in the car.
Kindly get them for me.
It's me, Fred.
It's a joke.
No,
Fred.
I am the person, please.
Is it really you?
Yes.
What's going on here?
EJ, nothing is going on. I will explain everything to you, please. Okay?
Why are you dressed like... Whose car is this?
EJ, I will explain everything to you. Okay? Just EJ, please. I am begging you. Please, EJ. I am begging. Please, EJ, please.
Who are you?
I am the person. I'm Fred. Please, I will explain everything to you. Please, I'm begging you, EJ.
EJ, please, I'm
You
on my
have a
knees.
car? Why are you dressed?
I will
Where did you get
explain
this?
everything to you, EJ, please. I am begging you. I will explain everything to you, please, EJ.
Where is your Okada?
EJ, as I said
Where did you
before,
get it? Who are you? What kind of thing is this?
EJ, I am sorry for everything. I will explain everything to you, my Okada, everything, how I did everything. I will explain everything to you. Just give me attention. Let's go to somewhere more convenient for us to talk, please. I am begging you, EJ, please. Come on, please. EJ, please.
Fred.
Yes, I am the person. EJ, please, come. I am begging you, EJ.
Is this a joke? Are you putting a prank on me?
No, this is my car, EJ. I'm begging you, please. I will not hurt you. You know me. I can't hurt you. Please. Go into the car, please. Yes. I am Chief Executive of Freedom Airline, Freedom Shipping Company, Freedom Brew the Change, Freedom Estates. Yes, I disguised myself as Okada man in this village in search of my soulmate, life partner, somebody I will spend the rest of my life with. And God presented you to me. Yes. Out there in the city, girls are rushing me like Kilishi because of my style. They're rushing me like Dominion Pizza because of my cars. They're rushing me like Cold Stone ice cream because of my mansions. So I decided to leave the city and come to a place where nobody will recognize me, so I can be able to get my soulmate. Ijoma, you are my life. You are my wife. I have no life without you. I thank God the first day I come across you. Yes.
So, what makes you think I am not for the money?
It is written all over you. By their fruits, we shall know them. By their fingers and calibrity, we shall know them also. Yes, I came to this village with nothing. I came without my cars, my mansions, or any of my businesses. But you accepted me with two hands. You showed me you are the woman that is meant for me. Ijoma, I have been thinking. No, I am done thinking. Yes. The greatest thing that can ever happen to me is waking up in the morning, watching you, lying beside me, knowing that you are the mother of my unborn kids. Ijoma. Marry. Please. Please. Yes, please. Please. will never let you down. I will do everything humanly possible to be the best man you deserve. The best man you desire. Thank you for everything. I will never stop loving you. Thank you.
What kind of rubbish is this? You want to die? What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. Fred, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Please, you see that other day I slapped you? It's not my fault, oh. It's Neka, my friend. She's the one that made me do it. Please, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
Alright, I have heard you. I am not God that you'll be kneeling down for me. Please, stand up. Please, stand.
Are you sure?
Stand up first.
Alright.
So, can I follow you?
To where?
Anywhere. Let's go.
Alright, you want to follow me? But before you do that, come over here.
Where you come go now? You don't even ask yourself what happened. You just the verse. Eh? At least hear from me.
Now, listen. What if Ijoma and her brother died in the use of those men? What would you have done? You would have come
They died. The end. Story closed. It was like a big deal.
You're just joking with them. You don't know the gravity of what you just did.
I know. It was just a mistake. No mistake. Hey.
It's not best elders of Islam to decide. Because when I advise you, don't take my advice. Keep quarreling with me. I don't want to. No. My friend, I can't even advise her. Every time you keep worrying.
Wait, but Neka, wait first. Wait. See,
come to you one after the other. But for want of time, I decided to invite you all here for this very important introduction that I have to make.
Okay.
With me here is Chief Fred. He is asking for my hand in marriage. He equally wants to be given a date to come with his people so that the marriage rites can be performed.
That's good. And you are welcome. You're welcome. Thank you.
The woman we want to marry is my senior brother's daughter. She is also my daughter. If tradition had permitted us, we wouldn't have let her out of this village. If permitted brother and sister to get married, she wouldn't have been married out of this village. She is a godsend. She is good. We bless this marriage and you people.
Thank you.
I don't have much to say other than what my brother Ndude have just said. In the true sense of it, you are the luckiest man on earth.
As for the date you requested, we are here in this village. I think it would be better you people choose a date and they communicate to us. We will pass it around to our umunna. We get together and do the marriage rites.
Thank you, my in-law, for welcoming me. I appreciate. As name ngwangwa, eme alodachi. And anya flu go ja ogo mma. You people indeed have a great daughter here. I appreciate her so much. She's a blessing to me. So I will make sure the date is not far, so that another person will not collect what belongs to me. Can't see who before. So I will send the date across to you people to prepare. Okay?
Yes. Thank you. All right.
Welcome.
Chineke nna nọ n'eluigwe jikeko ka bịa ma ọ bụ ka anyị na-ayọ na taa bụ ngwọ anyị na-ayọ ga-eke na-ayọ ga oyi na-ayọ ga afọ ọbịalụba onye abịagbuni ọnụ na mkpụkpụ afọ ya n'azụ na-aghọta ịbịara ịnụ nwa anyị ga-anụ n'udo anyị nwa ga-edoghekwa nwa gị n'udo wepụtakwara ihe anyị na-eri anyị erikwa ya ịfụ na akwa nwa ka ibu ya eme ka ọ dịka akwa nwa ghọtago 2-in-1 unu ga-amụ nwoke mụọ nwaanyị unu na-amụrụ akwa nke karịrị akarị unu mụọ ndị ga-abụ a na-enye ọ dịka ede na-aghọta ya ihe ka anyị na-arịọ Chineke kene n'eluigwe
Hey! You have been a very, very, very bad friend. Yes. If not for you, I wouldn't have missed that guy. Eh? What did I hear you say? Better don't call my name here. How could you go and slap a man? A stranger for that matter. And no last you put the blame on me. Were you not there when I slapped you? Eh? If not for your bad influence, am I a troublemaker? Do I go about slapping people? Eh? You have been a bad influence from the very first day I knew you. It has been nothing but bad luck. From one bad luck to another bad luck. You are over the obstacle to my life. Ever since I knew you, you have been making me to go from one man to another. You're in this village. Are you not the one that caused it? So I advise you to jump from one man to another. Go and check your family Did I call your parents here? Did I call your parents here? Go and ask your mother. Did I call
Uncle,
Mhm.
I came to inform you that Ogechi here will officially be taking charge of our business.
Thank you very much.
Let me understand you properly. Are you no more going to handle the business again?
Uncle, my husband and I will be traveling to America after our traditional marriage.
Ah,
Our white wedding will equally take place there.
ah.
And according to my husband, Chuka and his wife will be relocating to Canada.
Mhm.
So you see, we cannot run the business from over there.
Oh, yes, that is true. Oh, I pray that God will guide you, protect you in your future endeavor.
Amen.
I'll be doing it.
Yes.
Hey, thank you. Thank you too. I like you.
You're welcome.
But be careful. Eh? Make sure you handle the business, manage it, make profit. You hear me?
Just keep busy now. You don't need to stand and look at me. You say it's to make money. I knew where you're going to. My friend, come and do something.
Turn this thing.
Take a visit to make money. Let me show you how they used to turn it. You do it like this. Have you put salt?
Yes.
Everything.
Yes.
People will not learn. I invite you. Yes, I'm doing everything. Put the fire. Check the air if it's gone. Ah. What do you want? Customer is here. Don't stand and look. You let him tell you.
What do you want? How about you?
See, it's not easy to make money. You get to work hard. Think it's easy.
I still stop there.
So my daddy, business is really going well. God has been faithful.
I can see that.
They will never let it come down.
Eh?
You've not eaten my akara today. Oh.
Don't worry, I will buy.
So you came to my shop with empty pocket.
I just come now.
Chacha brought you, right? Okay. Hey, my dear.
Akara's finished and people still asking for it.
Hey, you see what I'm saying?
Hey!
They will not allow me rest.
Are you serious?
I'm joking. My dear, tell them we are done for today. Eh? Let them go and come back tomorrow. Are you not tired?
I'm tired.
Hey, go and rest, Joe. You see what I'm saying?
I've seen it.
Hey! Who on earth will believe that I, Oge Chukunwa, hey, will smile again in this village? My dear, who will tell me, including you? Hey!
Thanks to Ijoma.
Yes, so. Yes, my dear. May this Almighty God bless her richly for me.
Amen. How I wish the kind of flock given to her would have come to me. I would have been fatter than this.
Hey.
I envied her so much.
Neka, according to what you told me, you said you were the one that lost the young man. So why are you complaining?
Me?
Me?
No, I didn't say that. Oh. It was Obi that messed herself up with the man. If not, she would have been the one to get married to him by now.
Anyway, me, I'm happy you didn't marry any of you. An adage said, before a village will turn into a city, many people may have been affected. If you girls did not lose Fred to my own sister, I will not be here today, my dear. So I'm even happy I didn't marry any of you. It has changed my level.
Truth talk you just said. It is always good to treat a stranger nicely because you never know the outcome. Eh?
So how is that all been now?
Since the discovering of Fred, she has been avoiding me.
Yeah.
And I told her keep it to herself will not solve the problem. Eh?
Anyway, my dear, I want to close. Start going because your pocket is empty. Go and leave my shop.
Okay, you don't greet your elders again.
Why? Why should I greet you? Greeting is waste of time, so why should I greet you?
I don't understand. So greeting of your elders has become waste of time.
Yes, so it has. So. Because me standing here, talking to you, sir, is even a waste of time. Greeting is double waste. So why should I?
Yeah. Okay, Chukwu. Are you okay? Are you well at all?
Nine. Do I look sick? No, look at me very well. Do I look sick? See, let me tell you. Since you allowed your wife to use you against my own family, against our family, Nine, even the Bible says wicked know no peace. I cannot greet you. You will not have peace because you and your family have turned against my own family. So you don't need peace.
You mean me a job working against your family?
Now me, okay, work against us family.
Who is feeding you with that useless thought?
Nine. My ear are working. My eyes are working. So I'm hearing and I'm seeing. So what more do you want to hear? Don't stop me again to greet you.
I hope it is not this little one she's making from Ijoma's business that is swelling her up. Anyway, we shall see.
Okay. My friend, please let's go.
Please help me and you.
You would have finished dressing since morning.
I just came back this morning. I've been at Ijoma's place since yesterday night, helping them out. And this morning too, I helped them to still carry some things to the village field where the marriage is taking place. So, but don't worry, we'll still meet up. Oh,
I would have joined you people, but she didn't invite me.
She did not invite any village people. Yes, nobody was invited for the cooking. No. You know, my own is different now.
Are you serious?
But where is she? Where is Obi?
Who?
Obi.
Please talk about the living. I will leave you here.
What happened? Where is she? Wait for me. I don't
Let's go. Okay.
I will meet her before you're married.
Chidex, I'm just coming to inform you about the traditional marriage. Or didn't your boss, Chief Fred, told you that he'll be performing Ijoma's traditional marriage today?
Chidi, you see, I'm part of the planning committee.
You're part of the planning committee?
And that's exactly where I'm going to now.
Oh, that's exactly where you're going to?
Oh, yes.
With the traveling bag?
You see, I will be traveling back to the city with Chief Fred immediately after the occasion.
What did you say? Ikenna, you couldn't even tell me. You did not include me. So this is how you are. Ikenna, you are not a good friend. You are not a good friend.
I'm sorry, Chidi. It wasn't intentional. You see, I promised Chief Fred that I will keep all our discussions secret the first time we met. So that was why I didn't tell you anything. I'm so sorry, please.
Even for me, your friend, all this while.
I'm sorry, Chidi, please. I'm sorry.
Are you coming to the traditional marriage? Of course.
I'm sorry.
For this.
Ijoma is shaking the entire villages.
I also heard our community school field is filled with crowd.
My dear, even with plenty policemen and cars.
I must witness it with my 2 naked eyes.
So with my eyes, nobody will tell me.
So, Jede, how do I look? Let's go, we are late.
covering all the earth. Terror all around, looking everywhere. But I've never seen you fail or giving up on me. And you never ever let to come through and save me.